Zacchaeus gets stung by a bee while outside with family. The family expresses gratitude to their supporters for reaching 4 million subscribers. They celebrate their journey and acknowledge both long-time and new fans. Zacchaeus initially panics when a bee approaches, leading to him jumping into the water. The bee then stings Zacchaeus, who reacts calmly at first but later feels the pain. The family discusses the incident and checks on Zacchaeus after the sting. They review footage of the bee sting incident captured on camera. The parents express concern about the presence of bees and potential nests near their home. They find and destroy a bee nest to protect their family. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys will like this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep smile. Bye bye.